What are we doing?
D.
Okay. Hi guys on YouTube, we're doing a Cottons 40 in the Hoover Logic 1300. Some colours in there and dark stuff and all that.
There's sheets in there.
No.
Right, socks, underwear.
Well,
Hold on, more underwear. Oh, some of the stuff isn't mine, some of the stuff is. Got any more? Yes, we do. Dark and stuff, isn't it? Oh, that's where these shorts are from. Right, let's do the pockets first. Check that there's nothing in there.
and that's what I would prefer to do.
Nothing in that one. Nothing in that one. And these go in. These can go in.
And then the whites will be on another load next time, wouldn't it? Maybe in the service, I'd say, yeah.
Yeah, they're the same.
They look like it, but
But
not
they're
quite.
not the top.
No.
Well, they can go in. And if I have... Oh, there's the other one.
Yep.
There might be one more involved. Hold on a minute. And all the rest I will do tomorrow. Right, okay.
So, is it closed, detergent, and the programme goes D, isn't it?
Programme will be D.
Yep. Some Daz powder. Any softener in there? Any softener or no? No. No softener. Do you want the camera out of the way so you can get through to him? There we are. He's gonna wait until we stop.
Till we've what?
Stop recording. Unless go.
Detergent in.
Detergent in. Programme D. I'm going to tell you, Chris, you might need to move your tea out of the way. Ah! There you go.
There you go. Okay. D.
With speed wash. And...
That will be... And half load.
Half load. And let's
and
go.
That will be it.
And let's begin. Water's on.
Well, it is now. All coming up the top.
Cause and click. Clickety click. It's clicking through the programs. It's dripping a little bit.
Yeah, no, it always does.
That's nothing bad, isn't it? That's it. Oh, it'll be fine. It won't go in there.
Electricity's all the way over there. So.
And off we go. There we go. Filling.
Taking the Daz in nicely.
Taking the Daz.
As Jacob would say.
Taking the Daz. And then the drain is in that strange...
It's just a random bit of guttering.
Oh. Did you just find it from somewhere? Useful?
Yeah, well, no, redone the rest of the guttering.
Oh, from the
So
top tight things.
New guttering.
So it's got straight...
If you look at the colouring of them, you can see that's all guttering. We kept all the old guttering. It's all down there too.
Is it? Oh, so you can use it for like... This could be like
There's
a water
twigs
system.
everywhere in this garden.
Yeah, and lots of clobber and mess here, isn't there?
I've used the guttering for that.
Oh, so that will be for the service and the thingy, wouldn't it?
Yeah.
So there'll be lots of water to come out there when we use the service, maybe. And that's the what's that motor? That's loose, that motor, isn't it?
It's stuck. Yeah, it's not stuck. It's
Loose. That's what I call loose, isn't it? That wouldn't be the speed it would tumble at when the belt's attached, wouldn't it?
Well, this has been outside since February.
Is it?
It's just waiting to go down to the scrap dealer.
Still filling, but it's got a lower pressure now, I think.
Yeah.
Still filling. And I think it's got, does it do a cool down phase at the end?
Yeah, it does, but I will skip it.
Yeah,
because it's only 40 degrees, and we're on the water meter, so...
Too high, wouldn't it?
Yeah. Didn't realise these spots were too late.
The hose is on maximum, isn't it?
No, it's not a maximum.
Why not turn it
Oh,
up
there we go,
high?
I think it's just done.
It could. No, it's still going. Turn it up, I'd say.
It's filling in faster now.
No, it's still going.
Yeah, it is.
Is it?
Yeah, it's filling faster.
Oh, and it's coming up to the rim now.
Yeah.
A bit.
A tiny couple.
Little. More Daz. And it says it's got filling in the softeners. I think that takes in the softener.
No, it's not filling in the softener.
I know, there's a bit of water in the softener.
Yeah, there always is. That's because the thing is there.
And it splashes on the edge, doesn't it?
Well, no, because when I've opened that,
yeah,
the jet is there. The two jets are there. If I pull that out, it goes into the softener.
Does it?
So, because the two jets are at the front. If that was closed, it'd just be filling right at the front.
Oh yes, but if you pull it out, it goes into the softener, doesn't it?
Not if I've got any softener in there.
No. And we're coming up to about there, aren't we?
Yeah.
How are we doing? That's taken
on,
5 minutes to
Logic.
fill up. I'm going to pour